What up, guys, and welcome back to erbsclass math for 5 more minutes of math. You see it, practice time. Okay, factoring ain't really factoring, man, until you practice it a couple of times. So let's get to it, man. Let's get one up here. Okay, good. Looks good to me. So do you remember the first step in the factoring problem? Let's get our parentheses set up. Good. So we got 2 sets of parentheses. All I'm looking for are the numbers that go here. Now remember, this is just for when this first coefficient is 1. Yeah, it's the only time you can use this method. We're going to talk about another method to use for other cases. But if this is a 1, this is what we use. Okay, give me my little visual aid. Okay, looking good. Last number up top, middle number down bottom. So I need 2 numbers now. Remember, I need 2 numbers now. Multiply to make 32, add or subtract to make 12. We'll talk negatives in a second. Now, I understand sometimes it might be difficult for numbers and just to think of all of these numbers and these factors and all of these numbers are running around in your head. So, if that's you, let's talk about what we can multiply to make 32. Over here, let's just write numbers we can multiply to make 32. 1 times 32, of course, but I can't get a 12 from that. 2 times 16, let's see, 16 and 2, I can get 14, I can't get 12. 4 times 8, wait a minute. Hold on, 4 times 8 is 32. And 4 plus 8 is 12. Yeah, right? But I need a negative 12. Let's get the numbers up here and talk. Okay, good. 4 times 8 is positive 32, but I need a negative 12 when I add them together. I got an idea. Yeah, what if they're both negative, right? If I'm multiplying negative times a negative, I still get a positive. But now when I add them together, it's negative 12. Yeah. You know what to do next. Yeah, put them numbers in the parentheses, of course. Now, if I FOIL this out, if I double distribute it or do some boxes and multiply these 2 factors together, guess what I would get? That's exactly right. Equivalent expressions. Yes. Okay, let's do another one. Okay. That's what's up. Another drill. Let's put some skill. Now, you know the first step. Good. Okay. You know the second step. Good. All right, so I need 2 numbers to multiply to make 6, add and subtract to make 5. I know what you're thinking already. 2 and 3, right? Yeah, of course 2 and 3. So, but now, wait a minute. Hold on. I need to get a negative 6 when I'm multiplying together, so one of them got to be negative. Okay, good. So now I got negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. When I add them together, is it negative 5? Well, no, they would, hold on. Okay, what about that now? Negative 2 and negative 3 make negative 5, but when I multiply them, they don't make negative 6. Well, are there any other numbers that multiply to make 6? I can only think of these. Okay, wait, we might be onto something here. I thought it was the 2 and the 3, but it's not the 2 and the 3. You saw it's not the 2 and the 3. But, what if okay, so negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. What's negative 6 plus 1? Negative 5. There go our numbers. Don't fall for that trap. I set you up with that 2 and that 3. It wasn't it. This is it. Good. That's factored now. We got time for one more. Let's do it. Ooh, okay. So, step 1. Good. Step 2. Good. Step 3. Wait a minute. Well, what's the problem? Well, let's talk, right? Numbers that multiply to make 7. There are only 2 numbers that multiply to make 7, right? 1 and 7. Yeah, exactly right. But is there any way at all for me to get a 3 from a 1 and a 7? No. So, we got a name for that. Prime. Yes. Remember prime numbers, right? Prime numbers, you can't be factored. The only thing you can divide a prime number by is 1 in itself. Same thing here. I cannot break this down into 2 things that multiply to make it, unfortunately. Now, as far as solving this goes, we got other methods for that. But as far as factoring goes, this can't be factored. So it's called prime. Yeah, it's going to happen, man. Be on the lookout for those, all right? Until then, I'll see you. Bye, guys.